Alright, I figured I'd bring you guys an update on the dash and how it held up. We've had some hot days here, and today's supposed to be record-breaking, like 100 degrees, which is pretty much unheard of for northern Michigan. But the dash itself held up alright, but the glue failed miserably. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. If you look here, you can see, it's not stuck down here at all, and even here. You can see it's just not stuck. The only place it seems to be stuck is under this lip here, and even that, not very well. The glue that I used, I'll show you the glue later because I can't recall the name right now, but it was made for high temperature applications, which I figured a dash would be perfect. So instead I ended up, taking all the screws out and ready to pull this out now, and got a glue that's designed for this sort of thing. After doing some research, I did find something, so I'll show you guys what I'm using for that too. Okay, here we go. Finished product. There's a couple little, spots that I can see, and I think that's from, sanding it down and, trying to get the old glue off and everything. But overall, it came out good. The glue is stuck down. This thing's been hot all day, and the glue is stuck down well. Still have a little bit of issue in the defroster vents. I don't know why it's not focusing in there, but got a little bit of issue in the defroster vents there. But you see, I've got, kick panels are done vinyl, and it looks a little lumpy, but I've got like foam, like a foam backing behind it there, and I didn't care if they were a little bit lumpy. Driver's side one there. You can see, from here it looks good. That fits in there nice. And then, the door panels, my wife wiped these down, and she didn't wipe it down good enough right here, so I have to get the stuff out and wipe it down. But you can see I took the carpet off the bottom of the door panels, and actually you see right here I kind of just threw this vinyl on top of this and sewed the seam, and then put some foam, that 1/8 inch foam I got behind here, and glued everything to a new hardboard backer board that's behind there. And I got to get screws in here yet, and on that door I got to get screws right there. So you can see this has got the vinyl on the bottom half of the door as well. So yeah, with the new carpet and everything, it's looking good in here now, so I'm happy with that. So anyways, I just thought I'd give a recap on how the dash turned out, and a couple other things that were done to it. So that's that.